Dario saw his grandmother gathered and heard calls makabuhay from their backyard. He followed her into the kitchen and asked what she was about to do with the herb. Makabuhay, his grandmother said it's often used to heal wounds. She said that she would cook the herb in coconut oil and then use it as the poultice on wound on her leg. Later, Dario noticed that the poultice did not stick long enough on her wound. It either dripped or dried up and peeled off. His grandmother had to apply the preparation repeatedly. After 5 days, the wound healed. Dario thought that the wound would have healed faster in the poultice and stuck to the wound a little longer. His inquisitive mind began at its task on finding a way to make the poultice stay on your skin longer.
Uy,
There.
kasama po ito.
Wala